So ayan guys, ito yung ating duck egg balot. When you say balot, it's usually made of duck eggs. Ito yung gagawin, huhugasan muna natin bago ilagay. Hugasan natin. Ganyan. Pasensya na kayo sa ano. Tapos ilalagay natin sa kaldero. Ayan. Ayan yung ating kaldero. Ay, merong bilog. Ayan yung ano nito. Lagay natin dyan. So, ayan na yung ating balot, guys. Diyan natin nilagay sa maliit na burner dahil yung ating kaldero ay maliit. Ayan. Wala siyang takip. Hahanapin ko pa yung takip. Ayan. So, pagkakulo daw, doon mag-i-start yung timer na 50 minutes. So, tingnan natin. I'll be right back. Ito na yung ating taklog, guys. Ayan. Tataklog natin pero hindi ganyan. Ayan. Yung hindi siya close. So, ayan na guys yung kalagayan ng ating balot. We have 32 seconds left on it. And tingnan nyo. Ayan, na-crack. Ayan. Tapos na. Tatakluban ko siya guys. Tapos patayin. And then, we will let it sit in there for another 10 minutes. And it should be done. And we'll be right back. All the junk. Get your stuff from here first.
Honey, what's this juice in here?
You have to suck it. Show it in the camera.
It's hot, Joby.
You have to suck it.
Joby, this is hot.
I know because sucked it up.
Thank you, Joby.
Ah,
I thought he was gonna eat it.
just don't smell it. Just suck it. Here, put salt. Here, put salt. It's hot.
It's too hot to suck it. Not bad. Tastes like salt and water.
Yeah, it's just regular egg.
Oh, God darn, it's hot. Trying not to use no foul language, y'all.
There's no embryo in it.
Yeah, it's
Show it.
right there. See the vein?
Yeah, but eat the egg only.
Woo. Give me a paper towel to hold this, please.
Can I see the thing?
What?
Eat this one.
No.
Ooh.
You eat it.
This is like eating the oh, Joby, it won't
Just
happen.
eat the egg. Show it in the camera. Just eat the egg whites.
It might make my blood pressure go up. It's like eating somebody's brain, monkey brain.
Can we take it?
How about try it right here?
Oh.
Don't eat the duck.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Put hot sauce in it, honey.
I might have to put more than hot sauce on it.
So what are you gonna put?
A toilet seat right next to me.
It's not that bad.
Mm.
Don't get all the shell off. You have to eat it.
Where's the vinegar?
Here's the Tabasco. Tabasco is okay.
Okay.
Do not put too much salt in it.
Why not?
Just the hot sauce.
Now we're gonna be mine.
Hey! You burn your tongue first?
It's okay.
Okay.
Here you go.
You done?
My turn.
Here, let me see. Ew! Throw it away. I get my own. You can take the embryo too, like that. See? Now I'm eating.
Excuse me, yo.
Kelly,
Huh?
Daddy, you were taking some potatoes.
You want some bacon? Okay.
I don't like that.
Go get your bowl.
Good?
Find a plate or something.
Wait, can you tell that up?
Anong lasa? Mm.
Dad! You took my chair. Can I try it? Can I try that?
This is right.
No.
Where's your plate?
Ayan, gusto ko yan yung ano, bagol.
Where's
Bagol.
your plate?
Bagol ba tawag?
You didn't get
Get one of salsa. Got way on her plate.
Dad, no way.
Mm. Tabasco.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it right here for you, Stephanie.
6,
Mm.
7.
Here.
It's not bad, you guys.
Dad,
Tinanggal ko yung sisal.
I am.
I cheated.
You're gonna do what?
This is how you eat balot, guys.
Not that. Yeah,
Pag takot kayo sa ano,
Dad, give me
sa,
it.
sa tawag dyan, sa manok ba, sa duck, tanggalin mo, tapos yan na lang. Mm. Honey, how about if I deep fried it, would you eat it?
I'll try it.
Deep fry it?
He said he would. I want that one.
Oh, he said he will try it.
I